identify the dead rat. वो कौन सा ऐसा food है जो कि जब हम खाते हैं, it irritates our gut and the other organs and leads to making of antibodies. And how do we do it? So friends, Dr. Albert Rowe in 1860s found this process of elimination diet. Now, as the word indicates, elimination diet is a diet where we eliminate foods which studies have shown can cause inflammation in your body. It's not a diet actually, it's a way of finding out what you are allergic to and what is it that you should avoid till you heal your gut. Because what happens, friends, is कभी आपको बचपन में चोट लगी है. So anybody who has got hurt on the elbow or the knee when you were a child, every time I used to run, I used to bang in the wall and the whole thing used to again get irritated. And therefore, I still have marks on my elbow and knees of the injuries, I've had as a child. Similarly, in your gut, if you keep eating the same irritating, inflammatory food, what happens is your gut gets hurt again and again and again. And after some time, strictures become. And that leads to delayed movement of the food and everything and other symptoms. So, Dr. Albert Rowe, what he did was he said, I have a trick to do this right. I will do elimination diet with people. For 3 weeks, I will avoid all the foods which cause allergy. Among Indians, the foods which have been found to cause allergy these days are gluten, dairy, nuts, orange, citrus fruits, not lemon but other citrus fruits, soy. And these are the foods which we avoid in this elimination diet for 3 weeks. What happens is, first week when we eliminate, withdrawal symptoms happen. So withdrawal symptoms could be किसी को headache हो रहा है, किसी का motion irregular हो गया है. But when you are in a group, people support you and you keep doing it. And by second week, you start feeling amazing. Like in our last group, we've just finished 2 weeks and 2 days. There was a message yesterday which touched my heart. That lady said that I was trying to drape sari to my daughter. And my daughter suddenly said, Mom, today you are sitting down and getting up so easily. And she said, suddenly I realized that my knee pain has gone away. Thank you very much for this amazing suggestion of doing elimination diet. So these are the type of miracles which happen when we do this, if this is the cause, right? So we eliminate for 3 weeks. By second week, the withdrawal symptoms have gone away. The gut starts to heal on its own with the very active, nice, healthy, antioxidant-rich food which we are giving you. The gut healing even speeds up. And then the third week, you experience what you have never experienced before. The lightness, the smartness, the happiness. And then we challenge you and we introduce foods, one food at a time. So we eat one food 2 times a day for 2 days and we see whether any of these symptoms have returned back. Symptoms can come within 1 to 3 days. So if any symptom comes back, for example, when people eat gluten or introduce gluten back, as I told you, this girl gained 2 kgs. Some people feel very sleepy. Some people feel foggy, brain fog. Some people get rebounds of the aches and pains. So they know this food is inflammatory for them. Then they wait for 3 weeks again with a clean diet and then introduce the second food, that is milk. And then similar process. So the introduction could take 1 week and it could take 3 weeks also. So what happens is, we reduce inflammation, we support healthy microbiome, the phytonutrients are increased in your diet to heal the gut, we reduce the toxic burden, and interestingly, there is no calorie restriction, so you can eat as much as you can. We promote body awareness to food and we help you identify food triggers. Now, once this elimination diet is done and you know that your gut is inflammatory to these foods, then in the end of the program, 4th week, we have one-to-one consultation with me. By then, I know what is your history. I have met you 4 times. I know how elimination diet has affected you. We have monitored your symptoms, and we also do an app-based test, Lifus test, which tells us with your heart rate variability and an idea about the gut microbiome, nutritional deficiencies and all. Now, with all of that together, in one-to-one consultation, we've balanced your gut, your condition is better, and that is when in one-to-one consultation, we give you a diagnosis, we interpret what has happened during this program, and we guide you what you have to do next. So elimination diet, we do symptom tracking, gut heals, we reintroduce the diet, we interpret for you in one-to-one counseling, and you know what you have to do. So if we look at these 4 weeks, what are we doing? We do the elimination diet for you, we help the gut heal, we help with emotional well-being and exercises which help you do your elimination diet better. And then we give you observations, interpretations, and friends in individual consultation. I also give you what supplements you should take, which ones you should not take, how you should take them, for how long you should be on this elimination diet, and all of that, which is very, very personalized. So friends, if you want to do it alone, you must do it and you can do it. As I've mentioned, you have to eliminate 5 foods from your routine for 3 weeks and then introduce them one by one, as I've explained to you. But why we say that you should do it in groups? Actually, I also do it twice a year in groups. Why do I do it twice a year in groups? I don't have an autoimmune disease, right? To keep my gut healthy. Though I've reversed my problems, but I need to keep my gut healthy because otherwise I will get into it again. Yes? So, and I do it in groups because otherwise what happens is, बीच में कहीं ना कहीं cheating हो ही जाती है. And interestingly, cheating with elimination diet is like having an extramarital affair when you are married. And this gut doesn't take it positively. It takes so much annoyance to it that it brings you back to day 0. And therefore, it becomes very easy if you do it in a group. We give you diet plans. We tell you some exercises to do. There is a WhatsApp group which is made for sharing, caring, and gaining. People share recipes and you get to be speaking to each other. We make rooms and you get to discuss with other people on how they are moving, what is it that they are doing. Because friends, you would agree with me that, we learn from our buddies the most.